Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice, and some say the universe may tear itself apart before either of those options. If the thought of the universe ending with the eventual cooling of everything until there's nothing but darkness bums you out, don't worry. The Big Rip theory is gaining steam and may be getting closer. Scientists are still trying to understand the gravitationally repulsive force known as dark energy, which accounts for 70% of the current content of the universe. But as the universe gets older, dark energy pushes galaxies farther apart from each other at an accelerating rate, and physicists now believe this will culminate in an explosive tear that will cause galaxies to separate, then planets, then eventually individual atoms, leaving the universe devoid of any structure. Some estimates are even moving that tear date up on our calendar by several billion years. Of course, the estimates remain hugely variable, somewhere between 16.7 and over 100 billion years from now. So you do have some time to put off paying those parking tickets.
Want more science? We've got the latest on discoveries and breakthroughs.
Explains a
Check
true
out
vacuum versus a false vacuum. A true vacuum is stable with low energy. A false vacuum is not stable. A universe in a false vacuum state is called metastable, which is not actively decaying, but it's not stable either. A tiny push could send a true vacuum into a false vacuum, causing a bubble that would destroy the universe.
Roughly 27% of the mass of the universe is dark matter. It does not emit light or energy. Motions of the stars tell you how much matter there is, stated Peter Van Dokkum, a researcher at Yale University. They don't care what form the matter is, they just tell you that it's there. Van Dokkum led a team that identified the galaxy Dragonfly 44, which is composed of almost entirely of dark matter. Dark energy makes up nearly 68% of the universe. It may not even exist. One possible solution for dark energy is that the universe is filled with a changing energy field known as quintessence. Another is that scientists do not correctly understand how gravity works, stated Space.com. The leading theory about dark energy is that it is considered a property of space.
There are many major structures in the universe that have a life cycle, such as the formation of the star. Stars are formed in clouds and gas and dust known as nebulae. Over time, hydrogen fuel that powers the nuclear reactions will run out and enter the final phase of their lifetime. Over time, the stars will expand, cool, and change color to become a red giant. After time, a star goes through a planetary nebula phase to become a white dwarf. As time passes and the white dwarf cools, it becomes a brown dwarf. Massive stars will experience a most energetic and violent end, which is called a supernova. Once the dust clears, the only thing that will be there will be a neutron star. They can be rapidly spinning